Alrighty guys, welcome to part 2 of the video. It's been a while. I was meant to update progress on the bathroom, but we got a bit busy on some other projects, and this has been the end result. I'm really happy of how it turned out, and as you can see, everything's pretty well in place now. Nice big 1200 watt shower. So we've got the monsoon rain shower head. A nice black floating vanity, the light in the back of the mirror. Let me grab the camera and take you and show you. So as you can see, we've got the black floating vanity, which turned out great, with the light behind the mirror. That turned out awesome. The shower wand there, and the monsoon shower head from the ceiling. The shower niche we done really extra big. As you can see, I went with a square cornice. Black heated towel rail. So it's got a ceramic heater, which blows hot air down just in front of the mirror so that doesn't fog up. It's definitely come a long way from what it was, and for this Airbnb it's gonna be a great bathroom for guests. So yeah, it's been a while since I uploaded that first part 1 and really just sat on a few videos and got involved in a couple of other projects that took a bit longer. And yeah, I jumped on and I had a look and I thought, shucks, I haven't uploaded a part 2. So that's the ceramic heater. We've also got another exhaust. The second exhaust fan above the shower head there. It just really allows adequate airflow. So also on this particular ceramic heater with exhaust, I have a reverse button on the switch. So this is the heater on off. That switches it to exhaust. And if we switch that one back, it switches it to a fan which blows air out. At the moment that's just blowing air, and that's with heat. So these switches are the Clipsal Iconic range. So the middle switch here is for the mirror, so we can isolate the power to that. And this is just the other exhaust fan. Yeah, she's turned out good. I just got to change a couple of the down lights to the same color as the other lights. But other than that, the room's turned out great. Got the strip drain in there in the shower. Everything works great now. Really excited to get the rest of the house 100% completed. We've already had a set of guests come through. They were really happy with the property. The next room I'm doing is just adjacent, which is the sauna room. So we'll turn that on. As you can see, I've got the heater. I moved it from another section of the house. So yeah, she's a Swedish hot rock sauna. Couple of little bits and pieces I have to finish off in here. Just run a new supply back to the board, and then she's off and ready to go.